Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinche Oze. Today we go talk about public hygiene as e concern Lagos State. Other states too get their own because so many of una dey complain say for Lagos task force too dey catch una, dem too dey do this one, dem too dey do that one. Wetin law talk about public hygiene? I go tell una small because e plenty. Now section 5 subsection 1 of Lagos State Public Health Law talk say make you no piss for public, make you no shit for public, and make you no spit for public. Because some of una, especially men, anywhere una see piss catch una don open una trouser, bring out una odogu, una don dey piss. Dem no dey piss for public. Wetin this one dey talk be say no just begin piss anyhow for public. Sometimes when you dey waka for morning, you dey go work, you go come see where people don shit do like this. E dey against the law, na crime for Lagos State. I dey use Lagos State because na their law I dey use now because I know say na so e dey for other states too. Then to spit for public, you know say I know say I no be health personnel, I no be doctor. Spit no dey common as some of us dey see am. If you spit for public, if you spit for public, e be person wey get sickness wey go fit move from one person to another. Oyibo dey call am communicable disease. E don infect people with that. So for Lagos State, na crime to shit, piss or spit for public. E dey against public health. And if law catch you, na you go pay 100,000 naira fine or you go 6 months prison. I don tell una before, some of una go say wetin be 100,000, wetin be 6 months imprisonment. If court don convict you, if be ex-convict, you say be ex-convict, 6 months jail na still jail. Even though court jail you for one day, you don go jail before, be say you don go jail before. You wey dey watch our video, when you wan share, no watch am, keep am to yourself. Thank you.